In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add buttons on GoDaddy. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your GoDaddy.com and you'll get to the website builder. This is a website that I'm editing and I'll show you how to add buttons. For that, you will have to first select a section and we're going to select a place where we want to add the button. So let's go ahead and add it right here. You're going to click on the add section. When you click right here, then you're going to search for buttons. You can go to the general and then introduction. So we can add this one right here. Once you add it, you can see it has a button. Now we can get rid of this text, then this text as well. And then you're left with a button. Click on it. You will be able to add your action button. So it says find out more. I want to add. Click here. Then you can add the link to a page. You can add a website URL, phone number, or email address. You can also add a link to another page of your website. And then we have section on the page. Once you're done, click on done right here and a button will be added on your GoDaddy website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.